How to withdraw funds from TEMU. Welcome to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. Open up a browser that you prefer on your PC or on your mobile device. Now you have to search for TEMU and give it a search. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of TEMU. So right here, make sure you are logged into a TEMU account. You can log in by tapping on the Orders and Account option. Then you have to tap on it. In your left hand side, you will find all of these options right here. Now to withdraw funds from your TEMU, you have to tap on Credit Balance. Make sure you have enough credit balance to withdraw funds from your TEMU account. You will find an option called Cash Out. So you have to go ahead and tap on the option of Cash Out. Here you will find various of options. The most common ones are bank withdrawal or PayPal transfer. You can select any of the method according to your preference. Either way, you have to add some of the information of the recipient account, either it is your bank or your PayPal account. Once you do that, you have to confirm that it is really you from all of the verification process it asks you to follow. Then just like that, you'll be able to successfully withdraw your fund from your TEMU account. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, make sure to reach out to the TEMU help and support. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.